Hey, John, are you afraid to dunk under, John? John, are you afraid to dunk under? John?
It's gonna be bad too. Mom, when is this gonna get harder?
Sophie?
I think there'll be enough.
Sophie? I knew you'd say something nice. Thank you. I better shut it off before you change your mind.
Mom, when is this going to get harder? In about 20 minutes. I know, because the tattoo isn't even in yet.
Andrew, why don't you swim in the pool and then it'll get warmer faster. If you swim in the pool, it'll get warmer faster. Football back, Bridget.
She wouldn't think.
Billy, put the footballs back. Put it back, please.
Oh, do you want cake?
Don't you want cake?
French cake. I don't like chocolate cake.
You don't
All
want
right,
chocolate?
you can have a piece in a second, Chris, all right?
I can't frosting after a while.
Get off the table. What if they have fake candles?
What, Matt?
No, I don't.
John, sit.
They aren't. I can tell. I'm the king.
Get up, John.
What?
Get a chair.
Is that a plastic tube? Oh, Andy, you got it. Someone's gonna say happy birthday to the president.
No.
Can I like it, Mom?
Why?
You like this one? I like this one.
burn. Oh, Mikey's cool.
I want some of the yellow. I love what. Happy
Wait a minute, wait a minute, please.
Happy birthday.
Wait a minute, please. John,
I have to turn this light out.
and plus where's Andrew?
Happy birthday.
Andrew!
Andrew went to get.
He went to get Michael.
I thought.
Andrew, come on, Andrew!
I go help him.
No,
Patrick,
please,
stay
Patrick.
there.
Patrick.
Somebody's here. That means I can't.
Maybe you got the riddle.
Who's here?
Your dad.
Okay, here's Michael.
Steve, watch out.
Come on, Andrew.
Thanks.
Sophie, here's the camera.
Get in the picture.
Two, Andrew, get up, please.
All right, beautiful.
All right, can you blow out all the candles?
Wrong, Michael. 1, 2, 3. What is wrong, honey?
What's this? Gonna light again. I don't know what it is. I know. First, you should read the card.
You gotta read the card. No, don't be looking in there. Don't be looking in there.
That's awesome.
Back up. You'll see in a minute. Let him open the card. Chris, don't do that.
I'll call Brendan and see if I can let...
I need Brennan.
Okay, Brendan can't do it. They can't.
Brennan?
Just go back here and
Or Andrew from Stephen and Keith.
She didn't leave a message.
Where's
I consider tonight.
Steve, you told
Okay,
us.
we'll take him then. Deanna.
Yes, please, Papa. Oh, what is it? You told Papa. What is it?
Just the Sky Blaster Howler. I think if you throw it in the air, it makes all sorts of noises.
Throw it. You're pulling it.
Oh, you like
What?
shoot it, it's like this. And it goes,
No, like that's something you put in there. It's like an alarm.
All right, well, don't take it apart, Andrew.
There's another thing in there too.
Don't take it apart, Andrew.
Oh.
Can I just sit Robert and
No, no, that's fine.
team in the world?
Wow, that's his favorite team.
This Andrew was it.
Yeah, hold it up, Andrew,
Football.
so I can see it, Andrew.
Andrew, yeah, I didn't know you got
Patrick.
Don't be afraid, Andrew. Wow, look at that.
it.
Steven and Keith.
Thank you, Steve.
Excellent,
Easiest team
Andrew.
ever.
Amy.
All right, Miami's playing tomorrow, Andrew.
Yeah, Patriots gonna kick him.
No.
No, Patriots.
No, they're not.
Who got him that? That is awesome.
What's that, Andrew?
What is it?
Who'd you get that from, Andrew?
What this was?
Andrew, who'd you get that from?
Swing slot. What is it?
Andrew.
Brennan,
I told ya.
Billy.
Open the card, Andrew. Open the card.
A soccer pad.
Andrew, open the card.
Look at all these.
They must be from two different people. Brennan, did you get, which one did you get?
This one.
And which one?
Happy There's Brennan's cat.
Put the bags down, please. Can you put the bags down?
Oh, this is one.
Matt, would you please read the card? I want to know who the cards are from.
I'm from Mr. Card.
Okay, your face mask.
Whose card is that from, Matt? Whose card was that?
Look at that face mask.
And which one was with it?
Where's the white one? Where's the white? Kickers. Ian, did you open this one?
Brennan, which one did you, what gift did you have a gift, Brennan? Okay.
Don't open Andrew's present.
I was first.
Oh, yeah. Let me see it.
Let me hold this for you.
What next? What's name you wait?
Matt, who was that from? Andrew, who was that from, Andrew? Andrew!
No kidding, it's real. It's real. If it doesn't have the light on it.
All right, Andrew, let me hold on.
Open. Anybody got this present?
John, put it back. John, may I have that, please?
Sticky thing too. Shoot it out. Let me see one. Shoot it
Have
out.
it, please.
I can't. They couldn't go. They wouldn't stick it right off. Oh, that's awesome. You didn't have that. What is it? What is it? It's an football. It's an football.
Andrew, who was that? Andrew, who was that from?
Chris. It's a mystery.
I can't figure it out. I don't think I know what that is.
I know what it is. I know it is. Oh my God.
Wow.
It's an football.
Awesome.
I know what that is. A shark. Let me see it. This is guys.
Stop.
Ruined.
Pat.
Wow, nice shirt.
Guys, get drinking. I did get
Can you hold it up, Andrew?
Pat, it's good. I passed.
Football, that's what I like.
Honestly, I didn't see it. Andrew.
The other way, Andrew.
He did a good job. Don't worry.
Excellent, Andrew. Okay. All
Pat.
right.
Is there any more?
I don't know. I think that's it for right now, Andrew.
Individually.
All right. Jillian, want to go back? Go with them, Jillian. Go ahead. Ready? Go. Oh, good job. Wow. Let's do that again. Come on, Jill Pill. Go ahead. Go ahead. No, wait a minute. Go. No, wait till your sister goes all the way back.
Jill, come on. Jill, come on. Son, come on.
Ready? Get set. Go. Boom! Boom! Go ahead, Jill. Come on. Boom! Boom! There goes. Okay, you want to do that with Sam, Bridget?
Yeah.
Good. Tie yourself up. Tie yourself up again.
No, we're just gonna do this. I'm gonna tie mine.
Boom. Good, Sam. You want to tie yourself up with Bridget?
No.
All right, let's go one at a time now, all right? Go back again. We'll do it one at a time.
We're doing one at a time. One at a time.
All right, who's going to go first?
Me.
All right, go one at a time. Who's going to go first? Raise your hand. Okay, go ahead. Go. Oh, boom. All right, who's going to go next? All right, go ahead, Sam. Boom. There goes Mike. Boom. Who's going to go next?
Me.
Okay, go. Boom. Boom. Okay, Jill. Good, Jillian. There goes Michael and Jillian. There we go. Who's going to go first? Oh, boom. All right. All right. Go ahead, Bridget. Your turn. Want to go all at once? Who wants to go all at once? All right. Bridget, you ready, Bridget? Let's wait till Bridget's ready. Bridget's getting ready with her jump rope there. I don't know exactly what she's doing with that, but I guess she's making a bow. Okay, ready, Bridget?
I'm not ready yet.
Boom! Okay. All right, go back. We're going to all go at once. No, we'll all go at once. You ready? Look at them. Everybody at once. Ready? Get set. Go! And here's Jillian. Just go ahead. Here she comes. Here she comes.
Please put the cake in front of her. Sophie, we.
All right, everybody.
Oh, boy. Okay, do it.
Put the cake over here.
Okay, you take a picture.